If your farm isn't powered by the sun, you're missing out on a brighter future. Let's change that with Recore's solar innovations. Hi, I'm Naim, and today we're diving into the future of farming with Recore's solar-powered solutions. Imagine harnessing the sun's energy to power everything on your farm, from water pumps to tractors. Sounds incredible, right? Let's start with These pumps are a sustainable and cost-effective way to irrigate your crops, especially in sun-soaked regions. No more reliance on diesel generators or unstable grid power. Next, meet perfect for deep wells and tough conditions. Reliable water supply no matter what. Want to preserve your harvest? Check out They extend the shelf life of your produce without conventional energy costs. And let's not forget our emerging to reduce fuel costs and emissions while plowing, planting and transporting goods, all powered by clean energy. Our systems give you optimal temperature control, extending growing seasons and boosting yields. Keep your plants happy, rain or shine. For the ultimate farm security, I've got you covered. Easy to install, maintain and 100% reliable. Need efficient milking? Our ensure consistent operations, even off-grid. Boost productivity and hygiene, and for precise irrigation, our conserve water and improve efficiency. Tailored to your crop needs, they make every drop count. Ready to take your farm to the next level? Join the solar revolution with Recore. Sustainable, efficient, empowering, says the soul. Let's grow a brighter future together. And don't forget to have look at record.vp and mycore.vp.